If you want to make $100 a day using AI, and you're starting from zero, this is one of the simplest ways beginners are doing it right now without any experience or money. Most people think making money online is complicated. They think you need a website, skills, or money to invest. But what's changed recently is AI. AI lets you do work that used to take hours in minutes, which means you can now offer services online, even if you've never done them before. And that's exactly what this method is built around. The first step is choosing a simple service people are already paying for. You don't need to reinvent anything. You're looking for things like writing captions, product descriptions, email copy, and short scripts. These are in demand every day. Now here's the key. Instead of doing the work yourself, you use AI to help you generate it. For example, you can go into chat and type, "Write 5 Instagram captions for a fitness brand," and instantly you have something usable. That's your product. Now that you have a service, you need a place to sell it. The easiest place to start is Fiverr. It's beginner-friendly, free to join, and people are already searching for services. You can create a simple listing like, "I will write 10 high-quality captions using AI." Keep it simple. You don't need to overcomplicate your profile. Focus on clear title, simple description, and fast delivery. This helps you stand out. The goal is just to get your first order. Once someone places an order, here's what you do. You take their request, put it into chat, generate the content, then clean it up slightly and send it back. That's it. No advanced skills, no experience required. You're basically acting as the middle person between the client and the AI. And because you can do this quickly, you can complete multiple orders per day. Let's break this down realistically. If you charge $10 per order gives 10 orders equals $10,000, $20 per order gives 5 orders equals $100. And once you get reviews, you can raise your prices. This is how people scale this into $100 a day, $300 a day. It's just volume plus consistency. Most beginners mess this up in 3 ways. Number 1, they overthink it and never start. Number 2, they try to learn everything before posting a gig. And number 3, they quit too early before getting traction. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be active. If you want a full breakdown of AI side hustles like this and exactly how to start step by step, I put everything into a free guide. It's linked in the description. You can use that to get started immediately.